This 2021 inTech Flyer Pursue is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used inTech is 13 feet 9 inches in length and features Sleep's 2 carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, LP detector, smoke detector, leveling jacks. The unloaded weight of this 2021 inTech Flyer Pursue is 1,595 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.